This is the Nissan Primera P10 of the Stampoulidis family going for a ride into the Krioneri village.
Δώσ' του.
So this is a new ride in 2025 by the OMAE, meaning the Federation of Mechanic Athletics of the automobiles, to extend its lifespan of availability to traffic the car. And there is in progress the process to apply state historical license and plates to our Nissan Primera. And the car just 3 days ago has passed a technical inspection at the Iniojos technical inspection facility, and as the main technician responded to my question, how did you find the car? He told me, very good. And so me and the family were happy about the state of our Nissan Primera P10, the facelift. And we're expecting it to to continue being in a very good state. Of course, I have to refer to my father, Stampoulidis, whom is a very good technician. He's an electronician of the state television, a pensioner, and he keeps this Primera P10 and other cars in a very good condition due to his technical knowledge and caring of the car, promotion of caring to the car. So here we have entered the back end of the Krioneri village. We're gonna make a turn a little further. We're gonna pass through the village and we're going to return again from Spring Street, Golden Greek, Anixio Street. Here in this village, as in English is interpreted the Krioneri,